Welcome, happy flowers. Stay happy, be happy with happy flowers. Let's make another Ikebana flower arrangement today. And this is a basic upright style flower arrangement. And there are three main lines, Shin, So and Hikai. And Jushi are the lines which supports the main lines. Let's start making the arrangement. Things you need to make this arrangement is shallow container and Kenzan, the flower holder, some foliage. I'm using these two. And some flowers. And the tools I'm going to use is only scissors and some pins. And need some water for the stems to have some water source. Let's start making the arrangement. Take a shallow container and place your Kenzan inside the container. This is an upright style arrangement. So keep your Kenzan in the front, left or right side of the container. Pour some water over the Kenzan so that the Kenzan is completely immersed in water. This is my Shin, the main line. There are three main lines. I have placed my Shin, the first main line, and then now I'll be placing my second line, the So. And So is shorter than the Shin. I want to give a shape and fix it in the arrangement, so I'll just measure how much I need and then cut the extra length of the leaf. Roll the upper portion of the leaf in a triangle shape and then secure it with a pin. This is my second line and this is shorter than the first one, and fix it at an angle of 45 degrees. Now I have to place my third line, which is Hikai, and this has to be placed at an angle of 75 degrees. When you are placing the three main lines in the Kenzan, it should form a triangle at the bottom. Now we have to add the supporting lines, the juche for the main lines. I'm using flowers. You can use any flowers, just follow the basic lines. My arrangement is complete now. You can enhance the arrangement by adding more flowers or styling some leaves and keeping it in the arrangement. A simple and beautiful Ikebana flower arrangement is ready. This is a similar arrangement which I have made. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.